guys, it's Hutch, Classic Car Addict, Mesa, Arizona, bringing you a brand new addition. This right here, this is a 1982 square body C10 two-wheel drive. This thing is just beautiful all the way around. The paint, it's in meticulous shape. It really is. The underside, it is just as nice as it is on the top. The interior is beautiful. They put an L84, that's an LS series block that they have in here. Dirty Dingo, accessory bracket. It's got new rims, new tires. Everything is just absolutely awesome on this. What we're going to do is go through the engine compartment, give you a startup, show you the exterior, show you the interior, and take you on a test drive. Stay tuned.